Hello, world. Welcome to Living by Abundance, where we learn the key principles and techniques for living life by abundance, abundant health, wealth, love, and care. Join us as we dive into today's discussion, Picturing Prosperity, How to Use Visualization in Your Journaling for Living by Abundance. Visualization is a powerful tool that combines the art of imagining your desired future with the practice of writing it down. It's a way to bring your dreams to life, aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the abundance you want to attract. By incorporating visualization techniques into your journaling, you're not just dreaming, you're creating a roadmap to a life of prosperity and fulfillment. Let's explore 20 ways you can use visualization in your journaling to manifest abundance, each with practical steps and insights to make your practice transformative.
Before we dive in, I want to share something that will help you manifest abundance even faster. The Living by Abundance Ultimate Affirmation Bundle. This bundle includes a 120-day affirmation ebook with 365 printable affirmation cards and a daily affirmation audio and video experience. All of this to help rewire your mindset for your Living by Abundance journey. It all starts with your mind, so get your bundle and start your transformation today at livingbyabundance.com. Now let's get into today's discussion.
1. Create a vision of your ideal day. Visualizing your perfect day helps you connect with the life you want to build. Begin your journaling by describing what an ideal day looks like, from the moment you wake up to the time you go to bed. Include details about where you are, who you're with, and how you feel throughout the day. Are you sipping coffee on your balcony, working on a passion project, or spending time with loved ones? By vividly imagining this day and writing it down, you can identify what abundance means to you and the actions you need to take to make it a reality. 2. Picture your financial goals. Visualizing financial abundance involves more than imagining a bank account full of money. It's about feeling secure and empowered. Write in your journal about what your life looks like when you achieve your financial goals. Do you pay bills with ease, invest in your dreams, or give generously to causes you care about? Include sensory details, like holding a check for your dream salary or the peace of seeing your savings grow. This practice helps you internalize the belief that financial abundance is possible and inspires practical steps to achieve it. 3. Envision your dream home. Journaling about your dream home allows you to focus on what brings you comfort and joy. Write in detail about the layout, decor, and atmosphere of this space. Imagine walking through each room. What do you see, hear, and feel? Perhaps it's the warmth of natural light, the coziness of a reading nook, or the energy of a bustling kitchen. Visualizing your dream home clarifies what's important to you and motivates you to take actionable steps, like saving for a down payment or decluttering your current space. 4. Visualize a healthier you. Your health is a foundation for abundance, and journaling about your ideal state of wellness can inspire transformation. Describe what the healthiest version of yourself looks like, your energy levels, your physical capabilities, and your mental clarity. Write about how it feels to nourish your body, engage in regular exercise, and enjoy restorative sleep. Reflect on the confidence and happiness that come from prioritizing your well-being. Visualization helps you align your daily habits with your health goals, making it easier to achieve lasting change. 5. Imagine professional success. Envisioning success in your career helps you focus on what you truly want. Write about your dream role, the projects you're passionate about, and the recognition you receive. How do you feel walking into your ideal workspace or receiving praise for your contributions? Include details about the impact you're making and the connections you've built. Journaling about professional success helps you clarify your goals and fuels the drive to pursue opportunities that align with your vision. 6. Create a vision board within your journal. Instead of a traditional vision board, Use your journal to write descriptions of your goals. For example, write about the car you want to drive, the vacations you plan to take, or the skills you want to develop. Add small sketches, keywords, or even clippings for extra creativity. This written vision board keeps your goals tangible and accessible, allowing you to revisit them frequently. The act of writing solidifies your commitment to achieving these aspirations. 7. Visualize overcoming challenges. Life's challenges often feel less daunting when you imagine yourself succeeding despite them. Write about specific obstacles you're facing and how you overcome them with grace and determination. Reflect on the lessons you learn and the resilience you gain in the process. This exercise transforms fear into empowerment, reminding you that abundance is possible even in adversity. Seeing yourself triumph in writing builds confidence and optimism. 8. Picture your ideal relationships. Strong relationships are a cornerstone of an abundant life. Use your journal to describe the relationships you want to nurture, whether with family, friends, or a romantic partner. Imagine the qualities these connections embody, such as trust, respect, and joy. Write about shared experiences like celebrating milestones or enjoying meaningful conversations. Visualizing healthy relationships helps you attract and cultivate the connections that bring abundance into your life. 9. Envision acts of generosity. Generosity is a key element of abundance, and journaling about it can deepen your sense of fulfillment. Write about how you give to others, whether it's through time, resources, or kindness. Imagine donating to a cause you're passionate about, mentoring someone, or simply being there for a friend in need. Reflect on the joy and impact these acts bring to you and others. This practice reinforces the belief that abundance grows when shared. 10th, practice gratitude. Visualization. Gratitude shifts your mindset from scarcity to abundance, especially when paired with visualization. Write about what you're thankful for as if you already have it, such as a new job, a supportive community, or a personal milestone. Describe how it feels to experience these blessings and why they matter to you. Gratitude visualization helps you focus on what you have and what you're attracting, creating a sense of fulfillment and anticipation for more good things to come. 11th, visualize financial freedom. Financial freedom means different things to everyone. Define what it looks like for you. Write about the peace of living without debt, the joy of traveling freely, or the excitement of investing in your passions. Reflect on the steps you're taking to make this vision a reality, like budgeting or building new income streams. This exercise strengthens your belief in your ability to achieve financial abundance. 12th, picture personal growth. Imagine yourself as the best version of you, confident, skilled, and self-aware. Write about the qualities you've developed, the challenges you've overcome, and the goals you've achieved. Reflect on how these changes impact your life and relationships. Journaling about personal growth keeps you motivated to keep evolving and reminds you that abundance starts within. 13. Envision balance and peace. Abundance isn't just about material wealth, it's also about inner peace and balance. Use your journal to describe a life where you feel calm and in control. Imagine how you structure your days, handle stress, and prioritize self-care. Reflect on the joy that comes from feeling balanced and aligned. Visualization helps you align your actions with your desire for a harmonious life. 14. Imagine your dream vacation. Visualize your ultimate getaway, whether it's a tropical beach, a European city, or a mountain retreat. Write about the sights, sounds, and sensations you experience, such as the warmth of the sun or the taste of local cuisine. Reflect on how this vacation enriches your life and brings you joy. Journaling about travel reminds you of the abundance that experiences can offer. 15. Picture your legacy. Think about the impact you want to leave on the world and those around you. Write about the values you pass down, the contributions you make, and the memories you create. Reflect on how living abundantly allows you to shape a meaningful legacy. This exercise encourages you to align your daily choices with your long-term vision. 16. Visualize a life of freedom. Freedom can mean time, financial independence, or creative autonomy. Write about what freedom looks like for you and how it feels to live without limitations. Imagine the opportunities you embrace and the joy of following your passions. This visualization inspires you to make choices that support a liberated and abundant life. 17th, picture daily joys. Sometimes abundance is found in the small moments. Use your journal to write about simple joys like sipping tea, laughing with a friend, or watching a sunset. Reflect on how these moments make you feel and why they matter. This exercise helps you appreciate the abundance already present in your everyday life. 18. Envision your spiritual abundance. For many, abundance includes a strong connection to spirituality. Write about how you feel when you're aligned with your faith, inner self, or the universe. Reflect on the clarity, peace, and inspiration this connection brings. Journaling about spiritual abundance helps you prioritize practices that nurture your soul. 19. Visualize a supportive community. Imagine being surrounded by people who uplift and inspire you. Write about the qualities of this community and the ways you support each other. Reflect on how these relationships enrich your life and align with your goals. Visualization helps you attract connections that resonate with your vision of abundance. 20. Picture a life of gratitude and celebration. Write about a life where you celebrate your successes, big and small, with gratitude. Imagine how it feels to acknowledge your achievements and express thanks for the journey. Reflect on how this mindset enhances your sense of abundance. This practice encourages you to honor your progress and invite more reasons to celebrate. Visualization is a transformative journaling technique that helps you align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with abundance. By vividly imagining your goals and dreams, you create a roadmap for achieving them while cultivating gratitude and confidence along the way. Use these 20 visualization practices in your abundance journal and watch as your dreams begin to take shape and become your reality. Your abundant life starts with the power of imagination. Start journaling today.
Real quick, let me share something powerful that will support your journey of living by abundance. The Living by Abundance Ultimate Affirmation Bundle, a powerful 3-in-1 system designed to rewire your thoughts and attract confidence, wealth, health, and success into your life. Are you ready to transform your mindset, elevate your life, and manifest abundance every day in every area of your life? Yes, you can have abundance in every area of your life. This bundle includes everything you need to build an unstoppable mindset for living by abundance. A 120-day affirmation ebook with daily prompts to shift your mindset. 365 printable affirmation cards, one for each day of the year, ready to inspire you. 365 affirmations audio and video experience for daily reinforcement wherever you are. With this bundle, you'll cultivate a mindset of abundance and gratitude, strengthen self-love and confidence every single day, attract financial prosperity, and improve your health. Boost focus, productivity, and motivation to crush your goals. This is a massive investment in yourself. Don't wait. Your life-changing mindset shift starts today. Get your Living by Abundance Ultimate Bundle and manifest the life you desire. Visit livingbyabundance.com and get your ultimate bundle and upgrade your journey to living by abundance today.
Did you enjoy learning with us? Don't miss out on future insightful videos for Living by Abundance. Hit those like and subscribe buttons and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Together, we will continue to learn the key principles and techniques for living by abundance, abundant health, wealth, love, and care. Want more? Make sure to explore livingbyabundance.com to dive deeper into this and other topics and for more tips and techniques for living by abundance. Don't miss out on the opportunity to continue improving your personal growth and transformation on your journey to living by abundance. You're always welcomed at livingbyabundance.com. See you soon and keep living by abundance.